Good morning everyone. I am Priyanshu. Today we are going to make curd sandwich. For making curd sandwich, we need lettuce, corn, butter, capsicum, thick curd, carrot, bread, pepper, mayonnaise, black salt, sesame seeds and ginger powder. So let's mix. Now I have taken a mixing bowl. Here we are going to mix the ingredients. First we need to mix curd. Next we need mayonnaise. Next we need to add salt. Next we need pepper. Next we need capsicum, carrot and corn. Now we have to mix all the ingredients. And we also have to add some ginger powder. Now our batter is ready. Here we have 6 slices of bread. Now we are going to spread the batter bread on the bread. And now I am going to keep the bread above it. And now I am going to press it and keep it aside. Now I am going to do the same for the other breads and will be back. Now our breads are ready to be toasted. So let's toast it. First we have to spread the butter. Now we have to add some sesame seeds. Okay, so we are done with giving sesame seeds and some butter. Now we are going to keep the bread on the toast. Now we are going to close it and let the bread toast. Let's check if the bread is toasted or not. Wow. So our bread is ready.